Tired of sketchy office installs? Here's how to do it safely. No cracks, no headaches. You don't need to risk your laptop or your grades with cracked software. In 2025, there are legit ways to get Microsoft Office without a pricey subscription or breaking the law. First up, the Office Deployment Tool, or ODT. Just grab it from the official Microsoft Download Center. Make a quick XML configuration file to pick your Office apps, then run the tool using a simple command. Done. Activate with your Microsoft account and you're all set. Second, check out office.com. You get free web versions of Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. No install, no fees. Perfect for quick edits and teamwork. Third, if you want the full desktop experience, buy Office 2024 as a one-time purchase. Pay once, use it for as long as you like, no monthly bills. And remember, cracks and keygens are risky business. Think malware, viruses, and trouble. Stick to safe legal options, and your computer and wallet will thank you.